Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. We're at the Handyman Special house, my new house, and we have a patio door that needs a new handle. Now it looks fine from this side, but on the other side, it doesn't look quite as good. Anyway, so we're gonna replace that, hopefully replace that. So I went down to the local home improvement store and I got a couple of different patio door handles. Hopefully one of these will do the trick. I'm thinking this one will do, but we'll see. It looks very similar. So I'm gonna pop this out. All right, so I'm gonna pop out these things right here, and looks like the screw comes through to the other side. So pop that out. Unless that's broken, which I'm hoping it isn't. So come on over here, and let's see what we got here. Alright. So I'll take these off. That's what somebody added in after, it looks like. And then up at the top, the screws here should be the ones for the handle. That looks better. Okay, and our handle is off. That's what it looks like. So, we'll check out the new handle. So, this handle looks pretty close. The front looks pretty close. Everything looks very similar. Even the latches look very similar. So we'll take this one out of the package. This will be the one that we chose. Holes here need to be a bit bigger. So I'm gonna have to modify this slightly. That's too bad. Alright, so I've got the drill bit that I wanted for the size that I needed, just a little bit bigger than these posts. And drill in 2 holes on this side and 2 holes on the other side. Oh. Apparently it's just about right. So. Let's see if that fits now. Oh, like a glove. Oh, that's the old one. Hey, no wonder it fits good. It's the old one. Oh, I chose the screwdriver, or the drill. Oh, no, never mind. Okay. It's good. So, put them in. Both sides. We'll finish tighten them by hand. This particular one to make sure that they're nice and tight. Feels good. That one is also good. Flush mounted, looks good. Oh, that's not bad. So we'll take this one off. We'll put the other striker on that it came with, or the lock that it came with. Let's try that. Alright, so we're going to remove the old one. Alright, so it has this little bit of a lip on the plastic here. See how it's kind of broken? It was behind the last one that they put in. So I'm going to cut that off and bring this a little closer so it fits better. So I need a...
Okay, I'm taping you.
Alright. So what I'm doing right here is I put the lock striker in right inside already, so it fits perfectly. I brought that over, lined it up, so I'm going to mark it off where it fits. And then I can grab my safety glasses here just in case the knife blade breaks. These things break actually quite easily, and they'll snap off because they're snap-off blades. That's you wouldn't want to lose an eye that way, that's for sure. So, all right. See the benefit of using a Robertson screw over the crappy Phillips ones. So, line this up. Oops, so much for the good Robertsons. Damn you. Alright. Gonna line it up. Put it somewhere in the middle here. Same with the bottom. Alright, let's see if the door closes. There's a lock. Oh yeah. Awesome.
Go get yourself a beer.
Yeah, beer time. Is it after 12?
It is in Nova Scotia.
Oh, it's 12:27. We're good.
Right.
That clock is 5 minutes.
Alright. Thanks to a job well done, you deserve beer. Cheers.